Hello everyone, welcome to Top Cars News. Let's have a look together at the latest Volkswagen developments in the U.S. markets. Here we go. The ID.4 has been manufactured in Germany since its launch for the model year 2021, with US spec models being imported from Europe until now. The first ones have begun rolling off the assembly line in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and will reach dealerships in October of this year. More production, less inventory. Volkswagen has confirmed that it is ramping up US output of the ID.4 to 7,000 cars per month through the end of 2021, up from prior plans to produce 5,200 per month at the plant in Chattanooga. The US-built 2023 ID.4 will also feature a few changes compared with the Europe-built car. VW says that the center console is revised, and that the 77.0 kWh battery will come from a different, US-based supplier, SK Innovation in Georgia. Some additional materials will be sourced locally as well, though VW declines to say what they might be. VW also claims that it has researched customer sentiment regarding possible upgrades to interior materials in its lineup, which could potentially expand to other cars in Europe if successful here. VW has announced plans for a new entry-level model, which will come with a smaller battery pack, rear-wheel drive, and a lower base price that VW previously estimated at around $35,000. Pricing for the 2023 ID.4 models will be released next week. So stay tuned on the official Volkswagen website for the release of US prices. If you're shopping for an ID.4 starting in October, when the first US-built cars are estimated to arrive, you'll have to check the VIN to see where any given car was made. Even still, these differences will be subtle. So, were you considering buying one? Let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. See you until next time.